Here we are in Manteo, North Carolina at one of the Civil War sites here out in the Outer Banks. This is called the Burnside Expedition of 1862. And if you read about it, it basically says in August of 1861, Confederate forts Hatteras and Clark on the north side of the Hatteras Inlet were overrun following the naval bombardment. Goes further down to say February 7th, over 7,500 Union troops moved ashore. And then it said within weeks, Burnside, Lieutenant General Foster, Reno and Park extended Union control into the waterways feeding the Sounds. Elizabeth City was seized on February 10th. 2 days later, Edenton was in federal hands, and on February 20th, Winton was burned, which is kind of cool. It says the single Union defeat took place on April 19th at South Mills. And it said that the next target was the largest city in the state, which is New Bern, in 1860. And then it says here on March 12th, Burnside and 11,000 troops anchored south of New Bern, Solcombs Creek, which is a really popular area with history down there in the New Bern area. So the next objective was Fort Macon, and up in New Bern, they moved from New Bern to Morehead City. And then it said in July, orders from President Abraham Lincoln, Burnside moved most of the troops to Virginia to assist in planning an assault on Richmond. So tons of history here. If you look at this map, it talks about how Oregon Inlet was February 7th and 8th. Then you move down here, it says Fort Macon, April 25th. But if you look at the topography here, I mean, none of this is easy. There's also a cemetery behind here, which is pretty cool. The Bowser Family Cemetery. It says this marks and recognizes the resting place of Spencer Bowser, the patriarch of a prominent African American family in North Carolina. Also buried here are several other members of the Bowser family. It says William Bowser, who was a quote surfman at the Pea Island Station of the United States Life-Saving Service, the only station manned entirely by African Americans in the division of the United States Coast Guard. It's really cool. It's amazing the amount of history around here. And there it is.